Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist, and I'm back again with another awesome video. And today we're going to unfold, no, let me just correct myself. We are actually going to unroll something amazing. We have with us the first time experience of Oppo X 2021. Now this is a great smartphone which was spoken about at a conference a few weeks back, and we have it with us today. I'm gonna get straight on to the business, tell you all about it, and you've got to let us know what you think in the comments below. But before I tell you all about it, can I please request you to press that subscribe button and the notification icon if you're watching us on YouTube, and do the same on Facebook as well, and TikTok and Instagram. The handle across is @GreatLobbyist, and we are also on the web on www.greatlobbyist.com. So getting straight on to the business, guys, we have with us the Oppo X 2021. Now this is a beautiful looking phone as we see it, but what is most amazing about it is that it's not going to unfold. We're going to unroll it. So we're going to start by showing you how it rolls beautifully with a gentle swipe upwards after you've unlocked it. Voila. And as we swipe down, it rolls back. So great stuff. This is an absolute delight. Now when I look at the body, beautiful, not too bulky, and we've got a triple camera setup at the back, and I'm going to tell you all about it as well. But when we talk about the scroll and the size, when you look at the screen here, we've got ourselves a 6.7 inches display, but when we unroll it, we're getting ourselves a 7.4 inch display, which is amazing. And there's something more unique about it. So it's not a folding display, it's a rollable display. It's amazing. And the technology behind it is an absolute delight. And when we are going to tell you all about that tech, you will be absolutely amazed. So when you normally fold and unfold a smartphone, a folding smartphone, the creasing is a natural thing to see. So first thing you will notice when you fold and unfold an Oppo X 2021 is that this one does not have creasing. Not just because it's a rollable display, but because what goes under this hood. And when you put it to work, you don't need to worry about how many times you can roll and unroll it, because it has been tested for as high as 100,000 times. Now when we talk about the real-time use of it, we are talking about a heavy-duty usage of 2-3 years, and on a regular usage up to 5 years. Now isn't that just awesome? And everything around this phone looks stunning, absolutely stunning. The cameras are amazing. We've got, the beautiful part about the camera is it's tough 3D now, which means you already can do indoor AR. But then you can also, this has been designed also to do indoor and outdoor AR and VR combination. Now that is a hybrid tech which is very rare to see in a smartphone, and specifically when it comes to the cameras. And when it comes to the day-to-day usage, you've got yourself a beautiful tablet and a beautiful phone together in one, without having to worry about the creasing, which is a standard issue across the board in other foldable smartphones. Now this is packed with under the hood power. Now the rollable motor, which is a powertrain, which is basically 2 different motors are placed inside the hood, so that when the unfold or the unroll happens, there is no pressure on the display. It actually distributes the pressure evenly to ensure that everything goes smoothly, and it doesn't disrupt the display at all, damages it, or affects it in a negative way in any way possible. So that is just brilliant. And supporting all that under the hood is basically an interlocking plate, which goes something like this, which is, a 2-in-1 plate system. So basically in the folding format, and then when it is pulled, it goes and expands like this. So that means that even in the unfolded and the expanded format, the display has a constant support under it. So that means that when you press it, you feel that sturdiness. You feel that there is no soft touches anywhere, which you normally see in other foldable smartphone, which we've tested before. You could go back and check it out, of course, and this is what makes this product such a unique one. Now, when it's sliding and What I love about is no button, no physical buttons. It's just a small touch gesture and you're going to get it open, and then we slide it down. As you see, beautiful. No sound, just a delight. It is absolutely amazing. And beyond the motor and the two-in-one plate system, there is something else that has been placed, which is normally what you see in tanks as the tanks move. Now, the rolling mechanism that you see is an interlocking mechanism, which it is the same way a thin plate has been placed around the roll to give you that additional support and sturdiness. And all that fits into this perfect hinge, which has been purely designed for this phone, a custom design for this phone. And this is 6.8 mm. We make sure that even when you're rolling and unrolling the display, it doesn't get impacted. You don't get creasing, and this is just a delight of phone to work with, all in all. Now, we're going to constantly look at it again and again. It has been very soothing to the eyes, isn't it? I mean, I absolutely love it. It's just amazing. All this done, you can let's try some different content on this. So let me just play with you, play a video for you and show you how it looks when you play a video. Now, this is when we're playing this video in the closed format. And as we open it, while the video is playing, it is automatically adjusting the screen size and the size of the video. Now, that is the custom color OS which is doing the magic, which means automatically adapting to the size of the display as much as it is open and increasing the form factor accordingly. Amazing. This is just gorgeous. Let's put this back, and here we go. And it goes the same way when it comes looking for content as well. We're going to see if we can go through, let's say, reading something. Now, we're going to try to read something on it and see how it works. And we got to go, here we go. We've got some content open here. And as I open the size of this, you see it is automatically adapting the size of it. And as I turn it around, it goes the same way, smooth, swiftly, without stressing your eyes, without disrupting the readability of the content, whether I'm opening it or closing it. This is amazing. It goes the same way when you're trying to play a game or watch a video on YouTube. Let's try to watch a video. This is something what we did. Beautiful, isn't it? Amazing. I'm loving this. Automatically brilliant. And the gaming experience on this one, this is going to be absolutely, I just can't keep my eyes off it. It's so freaking comforting, amazing. It's just so comforting to see where that we're going to just go back and see if we can find PUBG. Yep, already loading it. We are going to start with a small form factor again in the closed format, and as we unroll it, you see how the game is adapting to the size of it. So you can imagine the gaming experience on this one is going to be just brilliant. So guys, this is Oppo X 2021, and we really hope to see the real version of this coming out in the market very soon and taking the market by the storm. So this is your friend the Great Lobbyist, and I want to sign off by saying well done Oppo, great innovation, great tech. I'm loving it, and I'm sure you guys love it as well. Let us know in the comment. This is your friend the Great Lobbyist signing off. Goodbye, keep yourself safe. Peace.